Peace, everyone. These are some teas that are good for the lungs, but make sure you do your own tea search. Not that one. Marshmallow is good. Marshmallow is good for the lungs for cough. Myrtle is good for lungs, cold and cough. Lobelia is good for colds and cough. Plantain, this is like fine plantain leaf. I think it's roasted. Orris, ORRIS. Blue lotus, you guys know I love me some blue lotus. This is bay, but this is good for boosting your immune system. Red clover is also good for cough and cold. And this one is good for pain. That's white willow bark. Yes, but as I said, make sure you do your own tea search. Okay? I'm just Tea with Tosha. I'm not a doctor.